Okay, here we are up on the roof in Sandy, and you can see an enclosed valley, which is really bad because you can see that there's a lot of debris caught up in there. If I move this tile, I can't seem to get to them. If I move this tile, you can see that it's absolutely chock-a-block. I don't know if you can see in there or not. There's a lot of mud. Same with that one, you can see all the debris. That valley is chock-a-block full of mud. There's no way that valley's running. And that will more than likely be overflowing. And you can see all the bedding's gone, so it has to be rebedded. And there'd be no doubt there'd be water going into there. Water will be coming in through this section here, and you can see the watermarks. You can see the watermark here. So waters were actually one on mine yesterday where the actual batten here was completely rotten, and some of the rafters underneath had been rotted out too. You can see watermarks there, water stains through here. All the way, there's a water stain there. Water stain, so water's just been coming. You can see very clearly, you can see the water's been there. Cooling, water's been there. Watermarks here. So the water's just coming in over here. We'll go over here and have a look at this one. Same story. It's just loose. That's soaked. You can see the back of that is soaked, so water's coming in there. I'm not going to pull that up, but it's just loose. So it really needs rebedding. All of the apexes are like that. You can see there. While through here, I can pull all this out. I'm not going to, and you can see that. So this apex will be the same. All wet underneath there. You can see where water's been. Nice picture of the flue there. And so it really needs rebedding and repointing.